What's up, everyone? Hope your day is going well so far, and it should be. Today is a huge day in the crypto market. Maybe not necessarily in terms of price. We haven't really seen any massive explosions or big extensions, kind of the normal green we have been seeing as of late. But where it was a massive day for the crypto market was in terms of embrace, because we have now officially seen the House pass and advance all crypto legislation. We need to talk about what that means moving forward here. We also need to discuss some other big ticket items. We're seeing the potential entrance into a $9 trillion market. We have also seen an altcoin golden cross, and we're going to talk about all that and more in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So let's just dive right into the big one: the House passing and advancing all crypto legislation. This is huge for the industry, and guys, this is some of the biggest embrace we have seen ever. So first of all, the Genius Act is going to Donald Trump's desk to be signed into law. That's likely taking place either late today or tomorrow. And this is the first major law actually embracing crypto here in the US. What we are also seeing is the Clarity Act go to the Senate. We're seeing the Anti-CBDC Act go to the Senate as well. So what we are now seeing is follow through. Instead of just the talk that we were hearing from back in November, where everybody got excited and the market started to rally, we're seeing that follow through on those discussions. And now the market has the ability to take huge steps forward. And the market may in fact be opening up to capital that it did not have access to before. What I mean by that is there are in fact reports coming out that there is an executive order that is going to be written up and signed by Donald Trump that is going to be opening the $9 trillion retirement market to alternative assets, meaning that you could in fact potentially be seeing crypto in 401ks, in Roth IRAs. And that's a really big deal. That's a lot of liquidity potentially entering the crypto market. Now, obviously, there's no guarantees. Nobody knows what's going to happen for sure. But what I did want to mention as well is we're even seeing huge liquidity injections outside of there. I know I've mentioned liquidity injections almost day after day, but what did we just see again? Another $1 billion in USDT minted. That marks $3 billion in a 24-hour period. The market is livening up. Excitement is high. And in fact, what we've just seen is a retail interest spike to levels that we have not seen since November. This is starting to get very consistent. We're very much mimicking what we did last fall, and that's why you're seeing a lot of those US-based assets take some big steps forward, right? It's again talking about ADA, talking about XLM, HBAR, Algo, also talking about XRP, and I think this is going to lead to something much bigger. And understand that I'm not saying it has to be straight up and to the right or anything like that. There will be days of retracement. There will be days of profit taking. But I took a look at open interest yet again today. And outside of BTC, everything has a higher short ratio than long ratio. So right now there are people that are actually trying to push the crypto market down. And the problem is again, they just keep getting hit with this good news, and it's causing liquidations. And that's good for us that are long, good for us that are betting on the future and the big embrace of crypto, because this is, again, like I've talked about, a ball that has started rolling downhill. But really where things may in fact get exciting from here is on a technical level, because we have now seen an official altcoin golden cross take place. So we had actually talked about this probably about 4 days ago or so, and I said it would happen probably by Wednesday, and it did in fact happen yesterday. We didn't get a chance to talk about this, but why this is such a big deal is when we look back at historically when these altcoin golden crosses have taken place, and this is specifically on the SMA for the total 2 chart, what we have seen is massive rallies following that. In fact, we saw this back in the middle of November, right as the market was taking some significant steps forward. So what you need to know is that, yes, crypto embrace is taking place. Yes, excitement is beginning to fill the markets. Optics are rising. Exchange app downloads are surging. This is exactly what we need to see a true altcoin season, to really truly see adoption take place. I don't know if you guys have started seeing it yet, but I am starting to get questions from some people around where I work, from some people in my life. These are huge signs that we may be on the verge of something very big. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.